After the fall of Troy, the hero Odysseus sets sail for his home in Ithaca with his men. The gods, however, have other plans, and his journey becomes a long series of trials and misfortunes. The first challenge comes when they land on the island of the Lotus Eaters. The fruit of the lotus causes his men to forget their homes, sinking them into a trance of desire to stay. Odysseus, desperate to save them, drags his men back to the ship and urges them to sail on. Next, they encounter the Cyclops, Polyphemus, a monstrous giant who traps them in his cave and begins to devour them one by one. With his wits and bravery, Odysseus convinces the Cyclops to drink wine and then blinds him while he sleeps. When Polyphemus calls for help, he tells others that nobody is attacking him, and the villagers believe him to be mad. Escaping his clutches, Odysseus mocks the Cyclops, revealing his true name, setting the stage for a curse from Poseidon, Polyphemus's father, who vows revenge. As they continue their journey, they face the seductive voices of the sirens, whose song promises untold pleasures. Knowing the danger, Odysseus orders his men to block their ears with wax and ties himself to the mast of the ship so he can't act on his desire to follow the song. They survive the peril, but their troubles are far from over. Further challenges await, including a trip to the underworld, where the prophet Tiresias warns Odysseus of the dangers that still lie ahead. He must resist the temptation of Helios's sacred cattle, or disaster will strike. Finally, after 20 long years, Odysseus returns home, only to find his palace overrun with suitors vying for the hand of his wife, Penelope. Disguised as a beggar, he joins forces with his son, Telemachus, to defeat the suitors and reclaim his throne. Penelope, unsure of his true identity, tests him by asking him to describe their secret bed, a bed built with one immovable post. Only Odysseus could know this detail, and with that they are reunited at last. Thus, after enduring countless trials, Odysseus finally returns to Ithaca, but the god's will is never done, and his story is far from finished. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.